What's going on, guys? My name is Plascencia from the Onnit Academy Gym in Austin, Texas. I'm going to be going over a simple lower body hip drill, great for any high impact drills you may be getting into. I'm going to take my knee straight up here towards my chest. From here, I'll take my knee over towards the side wall. At this position, my knee is going to try to stay up as I rotate my ankle and shin up to the same height. From there, I'm pulling my hip up, pulling the knee up, pulling the shin up all the way behind before I circle my knee down. I'll show you guys the same drill from the side. Knee up, knee to the side wall. From here, I rotate my ankle and shin up and then keep pulling up as I keep a nice proud chest here. After I finish up those drills going in the forward direction, I'm gonna go reverse. I'm gonna pull back, rotate my knee to the side wall, and then I'm gonna pull my shin, my knee, my hip directly behind me, trying to pull my ankle to the same height as my knee as I come around. Again, I'll show you guys the same drill. I'm gonna go back, rotate the knee towards the side, and then pull my hip, knee, ankle behind me, feeling my hips turn on, feeling the glute turn on. Nice forward line from the knee to the ankle as I bring the foot back down to the ground.